Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do printer cleaning process. That through comes to the header, the shadow cleaning, the dip, the rollers and the outtray. Even before I proceed, guys, remember to subscribe, like and share, turn on your notification bell so that to get update of every new video. I'll take you through the process. Let's proceed. First, I will need to go to my PC that I've installed my printer. Then I'll go to the start button where I'll search the printer and scanner settings. Then it open me to the setting option. Under printer and scanners, you'll see Canon printer that I've installed. I'm using the Canon G series. Then I'll click and manage the printer. Then it will take me to printers properties, where it will take me under maintenance and preference. It will open me the printer assistant tool. The printer assistant tool has multiple options that you can use to clean your printer. The first option is a shadow cleaning option. Then it has the deep cleaning option. There is a printing head alignment, nozzle check, ink flash, the reminder, notification status, bottom plate cleaning, rollers cleaning. There is an option where you can time where to power off your printer, auto power, quiet printing option, and customize settings. I'll proceed with the shadow cleaning option. This helps me to eliminate unwanted smuggles and lines that comes in as a result as I'm printing. Then it will open me a window that has an option. You can either clean all colors or the black or the colored colors only. For the shadow cleaning, I will choose to execute the all colors so that it will give me a printing pattern to confirm if it's all colors that are having an issue. Then I'll give it a few seconds. I'll wait for the printer to finish up the cleaning process. Remember to subscribe, like and share, turn on your notification bell so that to get updates of new videos. The cleaning process, the first cleaning process is done. Then it will bring you a window where it will ask you to confirm the printing check pattern. This it's like a result of the cleaning process where it will print out the printing head pattern. From the left window, there is what it should be, and the right side there is the pattern that the printer has printed. Now it shows that the black color is having irregular patterns, the colored and the bottom colors. So I'll proceed with the second stage of cleaning, that's the deep cleaning. This will help me eliminate the nozzle cloggings and any other smudge and unwanted ink. Then I'll click exit. Then I'll proceed with the deep cleaning. I'll start with the colored option where I'll click yes. I'll give my printer a few minutes to do the cleaning. I'll print the print check patterns. This will help me confirm if the printing patterns are okay. So the deep cleaning option usually takes a bit longer. This helps the printer to do the thorough cleaning on the heads and the unclogged nozzles. So you give your printer time so that you finish up. You skip the printer head alignment. This will help you align the heads after you have done the deep cleaning. Then I'll proceed to ink flash. The ink flash is where maybe you have ink tubes that are blocked or ink that is clogged, where maybe you have already refilled your ink pots with new ink. Then you need to flash off the old ink that was clogged in your ink tubes. Then I'll proceed. The ink flash process takes about 10 minutes. I'll give my printer the option, so I'll first clean up the colored ink only, where it will take some 5 to 10 minutes. So you find after you're done the ink flashing option, you find your printer will give you a notification window telling you your printer has already reached the service time. So it will give you an error. So this has helped me know that my printer was having an issue. So I'll finish up the ink flashing process. Then I'll need to print the print check patterns. My printer that I'm using, that is the Canon G series. It shows that the cleaning process has not yet finished because it's having a service notification. So I'll proceed to my service and maintenance. I hope guys the video has helped you and you have learned how to do your printer cleaning process. Depending on the printer that you are using, it has a shadow cleaning process and a deep one where it helps you clean up your printing patterns. Guys, let's see in our next video.